Hey everybody, it's Dennis with OnlineCourseCoupons.com, and I think finally I've figured out the technical glitch that I had in the last broadcast that I tried to do about 10 minutes ago. Anyway, today I'm coming to you live because I want to start showing you stuff, courses actually, that are on the site. And today we're going to talk about 20 courses that you can take here in 2019 to learn new skills, and these are courses that are under $15. So let's go ahead and we'll move over here, and the link you should see either above or below this video depending on where you're at, where you're watching it at. On Facebook it should be right above the video. So this is 20 skills that you can learn in 2019 under $15, skills that will help you either earn more at the job that you might already have. It might give you the skills that you need to get a job that you've been applying for. There's a lot of jobs out there now, and there's a shortage of people to fill those jobs, so you might not necessarily have to have a college degree to get hired for those jobs. And then if you're somebody like myself and you enjoy working at home and maybe you just want to learn a skill to start a new business, these are the courses that you want to look at. So most of these are best-selling courses. And let's go ahead and start off with the first one, which is a social media management course. This is the Complete 2019 Manager Bootcamp. So this has been updated for 2019. As of the time of this recording, this course, as well as most of these courses, are on sale for $11.99. It could be different at the time that you watch it. You can see that it's got 4.4 stars and over 2,371 ratings, which would mean there's probably a lot of people that are signed up for this course. The next one there is 2019 Ultimate Guide to Raspberry Pi, Tips, Tricks, and Hacks. You know, I thought that Raspberry Pi was a coding language, but it's actually a computer that sells for around, I believe, $300, but it's actually a chip and a board inside with I guess maybe like an operating system on it, and this teaches you how to build that computer or build something that's like the Amazon Echo Dot or the Google Home device. So it'll teach you how you can build something like that. Next here we have English Grammar Launch, upgraded your speaking and listening. So this might be for somebody that's looking to learn more English so that you might be able to get a job in the United States, or you might be able to freelance with those who speak English in different parts of the world. Or you might be wanting to move to the United States, or you might live here and you want to take English. So this is a course that's a bestseller, 4.5 stars and 3,609 ratings. Next is a photography masterclass by my friend Phil Ebner. He is a master at the courses that he teaches, and if you're wanting to learn photography, I would highly recommend this. It's taught with his friend William, and William has a great story. You'll have to check out the course to find out more about that. 4.6 stars and almost like 13,363. I was going to say almost 14,000 ratings. This course I know has a lot of students enrolled. I might actually be enrolled in this course and just haven't gotten to it yet. I have a Canon DSLR camera that I've had for over a year, and I've just been doing other things and haven't had time to really learn it. I know about photography, but I could know more, and this is a course that would teach you how to take those perfect pictures, including, I think his courses include how to take better nighttime photography, because I'm one that when there's an eclipse of the moon, that I have a hard time taking a great photo of the moon. Next here is a complete Python bootcamp. Go from 0 to hero in Python 3. 4.5 stars also. And look at how many ratings this one has. I live in Idaho, where the population is 1.7 million. The town that I live in is about 54,000. Boise, Idaho is about 225,000. And you've got a course here on Udemy with 134,512 ratings. I'm willing to bet that it's, it could be 250,000 or more students in this course wanting to learn how to do Python. Next one here is Amazon traffic, sales, and marketing for sellers and affiliates. I have affiliate websites. I've got a site called shipitcoffee.com. I'm a diabetic, so I have a site called diabeticfoodsnacks.com, and I've been doing a lot of learning, reading, and watching courses on getting better traffic to those websites to generate affiliate commission. It's got 4.7 stars and it's got 225 ratings. It doesn't have the bestseller banner, but I know that when I first did this, it did. Sometimes these courses can lose their bestseller banners, but that doesn't mean that it's a bad course. Next one up is copywriting. Become a freelance copywriter. Your own boss. Copywriting is in. It's an in-demand skill, especially on those freelance sites. This course is taught by two people that I know. Sean Kay, who lives in Australia, and Lynn Smith. Sean actually manages the course. A little side note, Lynn passed away over a year ago from cancer, sadly. I knew him. Very nice guy. One of the top Udemy instructors. This guy knows his stuff. He lived in the UK, and this course has 4.3 stars with 1,603 ratings. So a great course. Lynn won't be answering your questions, but Sean will, and Sean is an expert in this area too. So if you're wanting to learn copywriting, take a look at his course. Next there we have Capm exam prep seminar. So this is a course to learn how to prep to take one of these exams. There's a lot of these on Udemy, and it's a great way for you to prepare to get your certifications in different skills that have a requirement for that, like Salesforce or Amazon AWS. And I honestly don't know what the acronym CAPM stands for, but I know that it's something technical. 4.5 stars, 3,297 ratings. Graphic Design Bootcamp Part 1. If you want to learn how to do graphics, again, this is a highly in-demand skill, especially on the freelance websites. People looking for logos for their online businesses and marketing material and stuff like that. And this course has 4.5 stars and 8,233 ratings. All right, next one here is the Ultimate Google Ads and AdWords course. And this is Profit with Pay-Per-Click. This is one that I've enrolled in so that I can learn more about Google Ads and AdWords for my online websites that I have. 4.6 stars and almost 26,000 ratings on this course. Next there we've got Microsoft Excel. If you want to learn Excel, which is an office application, this individual teaches over 250,000 students on Udemy and has this bestseller course with over 46,000 ratings, or actually 48,000 ratings there. The type on this is a little hard for me to see with it being so small. 4.5 stars on this course from Kyle. And after that, we've got the WordPress web development camp. I told you I do websites. I've learned web development years ago. I use WordPress for developing my websites. This course will tell you all of the deep stuff that comes along with web development, like JavaScript and coding, HTML. So when we talk about bootcamp in these courses, they're usually packed with a lot of great information, and you can see that that's got well over 100,000 ratings on it and 4.6 stars. So when you see something like that, you're looking at a great course. Next one is how to master SEO or search engine optimization. Again, this goes with websites, and this is how to optimize the site so that you rank well in search engines like Google and Yahoo and Bing. Mostly Google, but if you optimize for Google, then you're going to be optimized for the others that are out there. This is taught by Course Envy. They have a lot of courses out on Udemy, 4.4 stars on that with 367 ratings. All right, let's see. We've got Introduction to Finance, Accounting, Modeling, and Valuation. Something that's way over my head. My mom was a financial analyst for HP, and I hated numbers, but if you like numbers, I know that Chris Haroon is an expert in what he teaches. You can see that this course has 4.5 stars with over 6,000 ratings. Next, we have an instructor, Jonathan Levi, who teaches a lot of courses on Udemy. This is Become a Smart Learner 2, learn how to speed read and boost memory. A lot of instructors teach some courses on speed reading, but he's the expert. This course has a couple of other instructors that teach it with him, and it's got 4.3 stars and over 15,000 ratings. If you want to learn iOS 12 and Swift, then you'll want to take a look at this course by Angela Yu. She is kicking butt on Udemy, and she is, I believe, the top instructor on courses that fall into this particular topic. 4.7 stars and over 12,000 ratings. If you want to get certified with Google Analytics, you can become certified in one day with this course by Dara Walsh. I take a couple of Dara's courses, and he's a great instructor. I believe he's from Scotland. He's got an accent, but he's very knowledgeable in this kind of stuff. And if you want to learn this, I would highly recommend that you take his course. 4.5 stars and over 5,700 ratings there. We've got a few more here. Become a project manager, learn the skills, and get a job. And I think the last time that I looked at kind of like in-demand careers, accidentally clicked on that one. So we're going to go, let's see if I can go back there. Oh, let's see. Oh, we've lost. There we go. Become a project manager. Sorry about that. This one here is taught by two instructors, Cole Mercer and Evan Kimbrell. I don't know Cole, but I know Evan. I have some courses of him that are his that I've enrolled in, and I've taken several of the lectures, and he's a great instructor and very knowledgeable in what he teaches. 12,890 ratings with 4.4 stars. What I was going to say before I had that glitch there was that the list that I looked at on like top jobs in the future, I think that product management is something that falls in like the top 10 in-demand jobs. The Complete SQL Bootcamp, again, another bootcamp. SQL is a query language for databases, Microsoft, and the other ones like MySQL that I use with WordPress. This course has 4.5 stars with over 29,000 ratings. Last one here in this list is the Complete Presentation and Public Speaking Speech course. Again, this is Chris Haroon, and he's a master at this stuff. It's a best-selling course. If you want to learn how to be a better speaker, most of the time I'm a pretty good speaker, but sometimes I get caught off guard when you have situations like that. But I know that when I was in high school, I sucked at speaking. A lot of ums and things like that, which had to do not being prepared. If you're prepared for speaking, like the college class that I took, and I believe I got maybe an A in that class, if you're comfortable, you're confident, and you're prepared, you're going to be a good speaker. And Chris is going to show you how to do that in this course. All right. So that's 20 courses that you can take in 2019 under $15. And I can tell you that if you take these courses, that you're probably going to get a lot more return on your investment in the jobs that you're going to find, the freelance jobs that you're going to find, whatever it might be, a raise at the company that you already work at. So you're looking at onlinecoursecoupons.com. You'll find the link on Facebook right above. And when I share this onto YouTube, I will also place a link to these courses. Make sure that you sign up for the newsletter if you want to be notified when I place a list like this on the website, which I'll probably be doing within the next week and doing a broadcast like this. But you can click right here, and that'll connect you with Messenger, and that'll launch into Facebook, and will let you sign up through Messenger for the subscription so that I can update you on that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's it. This is Dennis for onlinecoursecoupons.com. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you share this video with others. Take care.